This next tune is about a friend of mine who was a musician in the Boston scene would have loved this festival because she was all about fairies and pirates and all kinds of fantasy things. She was an incredible musician, storyteller. Her name is Jenn Bliss. This is dedicated to her. It's called Pirates and Parades. Of your time, the pirate bonny lass with a hat and sword and flute, it led us with the tune. Like a magic puppet show, glimmering and strange, you left us all too soon. You heard the whispers on the wind, with a wink and a toothy grin. Shanty was your art, pirates and parades remind me of you. Accordions played to be played by you. 1,000 serenades singing just for you. Did you fly? You found your bliss beyond this walk across the stage. And every celebration since that final curtain closed is just a little quieter than how it was before. Always leave them wanting more. You told the tales of the downtrodden, lifted up this fragile world. May you never be forgotten. The flag forever unfurled. Pirates and parades remind me of you. Accordions played by you. 1,000 serenades singing just for you. Pirates and parades remind me of you. Shining masquerades dance for you. Memory that fades still remains true. Pirates and parades remind me of you. Shining masquerades dance for you. Memory that fades still remains true. Still remains true. Still remains true. Thank you. It's Brett Taylor on acoustic fretless bass. We got Davis Krieg on guitar, Julian Daniell on drums, percussion, and vocals. I'm Jason Winslade. We are Secrets of the Beehive.